Oh man, guys, what is going on today? D-Cred here, back with another video. It's time for the giveaway. Since it's March the 1st, which is Mach 1 day, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the giveaway. So here's the channel. Go ahead and click to the random. Alright.
Is it gonna let me?
No, it doesn't show it for some reason.
Okay, so just type. Right, here's the first one.
Michael Ed.
Spell his name. A-E-L?
Yeah.
Ed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hit enter.
Oh, okay.
4.6 Savage. Hey,
What's up,
Rose.
dude? What?
Antonio Faulkner.
This is very sweet. It's very soft to the touch.
2-valve GT.
Oh, why does that look like a Z? My bad. GT?
Robert Marin. 27.
Marvin?
Dusty Davis. Horseplay.
Horseplay! What's up, dude?
Wow.
I know some of you. Okay.
And Reaper GT.
Heard a lot about you.
Alright, I hit submit. Okay. So I don't know how to really do this, but I think you're supposed to click the oh, okay. You gotta be kidding me. Wow. She guessed it.
I did. He was
What?
so adamant about it too. He said he was going to win.
He did say he was going to win, so, and he did win. Well, it looked like the car wash kid is going to Daytona, Florida. I think that, yeah, Daytona, Florida. Probably around that area, but yeah, it's definitely going to Florida.
You almost hit me in the face.
I'm sorry. But yeah, Horseplay, I know you're going to be probably like one of the first few ones to actually watch it. I'll just keep my hand over here. I'm pretty sure you're going to be one of the first few ones to actually watch this video. So go ahead and contact me on my Facebook or Instagram, whichever one, and then we can talk about the address or where to send it to, and then your extra gift that we're going to put in there. Congratulations to Horseplay, and thank you for everybody who enter in. There will be another giveaway, probably going to be to around 1,000 subscribers, maybe. Yeah, I think that, yeah, that's the next one, next landmark. And right now, go back to my thing. Right now we are at
574. Right on.
Yep, 574. So
Not far away.
yeah, we should be making it up to 600 pretty quickly, hopefully.
I bet by the end of next week.
Don't say that.
Why? I'm
not gonna get 600.
Your followers have been climbing. Like, you've been getting followers like every day.
Nah, I'm not gonna do it unless y'all want to just prove me wrong.
Prove them wrong. Prove that I'm right.
That's it for this video. I just want to make a quick video to show who the giveaway winner is. Like I said, there's gonna be more to come. But yeah, guys, that's it. We'll see you guys on the next video, okay?
Peace out, guys. Dang it. I always have this problem. Did I get it?
Yes, you got it.